kung sino ang hindi tatawagin, ha? Okay. Okay. Awarded to Beatrice S. in recognition of her exceptional performance in Kingdom Sun University, being top student for the month of April. Congratulations! And certificate of achievement awarded to Johan James Tapaze in recognition of her exceptional performance in Kingdom Sons University and being the overall top student for the month of April. You guys, your hard work and dedication and for being a top student, and we are honored to recognize your accomplishments. To God be the glory. Ayahan.
Johan!
Picture yun kapon.
Teacher Carmike.
Appreciation is presented to Blanc for her kindness, intelligence, generosity, beauty, and above all being a good Blanc to us. Our Blanc who diligent teaches the words of God. You are the true overall top for us. Mom, we love you and we will always cherish the moment we created. We will always be proud of you. Teacher! Certificate of Appreciation. This award is to Larissa Potolin. Thank you for tireless effort, your unwavering support, and your dedication to our mission. Your hard work and commitment are truly appreciated. April 2020.
Kapag pasa siya ng assignment.